Hello! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G72 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this phone. First we need to lock the screen on our phone, and you can do it by pressing the power button. After you lock the screen on your phone, you need to pick up the phone and you need to find the SIM card and SD card tray. On this device it's located on the left side of the phone, right here at the top. You have the SIM card and SD card tray, looks like this. And to open this tray you will need some kind of pinned device. Usually one comes with your phone and looks something like this. Basically you can use anything that fits in this hole, but I recommend to use the tool provided with your phone, because sometimes the tool should be longer or shorter and the length could be important. So if the tool came with your phone, please use it, but if you don't have anything like that, you could try to use, I don't know, a paper clip or something like that. Okay, once you have the pin tool, insert the tool into this hole next to the tray, like this. And after you insert the pin tool, push it in, and once you push it in, the tray should pop off like this. It's gonna pop out, and you can then remove the pin tool slowly, and then you should be able to take out the tray without any problems with your fingers. And once you take out the tray, it looks like this. Here we have it. We have the SIM card slot and the SD card slot on our tray. They fit only one way. As you can see, there's a cutout of the SIM card and the SD card on the tray. So if you take your SD card, for example, you can only place it one way on the tray. It doesn't fit any other way, like this. Once you secure it on the tray, it should be quite tight on it so it won't fall out. Now let's pick up our SIM card, the nano-sized SIM card, the smallest size, and then place it on a tray. Like I said before, it fits only one way. There's a cutout, this, so place it. Am I placing it wrong? Yes, I was placing it wrong. Okay, so you need to place it like this. Oh, and now it fits. So it should something like this. You have the SIM card and the SD card placed on the tray, and now we can insert the tray into our phone. Usually if you insert the tray, the side with the writings on your SIM card and SD card should be facing the screen, basically top of the phone. So if you insert it like this, like that, and then slowly push it in till the end until it's flush with the case, with the frame. And now when we wake up the screen on our phone, you should see that the SIM card is working because we have the connection to the mobile network, and also the SD card is working because it's detected. Okay, and that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.